Hello everyone, my name is Irene Gonzalez and today we will be talking about depth of field, or DOF, as we will be abbreviating the term for this lesson. There are basically two DOFs, shallow and deep, and the decision of which one to use is very important. A picture of the same subject can convey completely different messages depending on the DOF. For example, if you want to focus the attention of your audience in a subject and you want to make it stand out from its surroundings, then you should use a shallow DOF because the subject will be in focus and the background or context will be blurry. When the purpose of the image is to show a subject within a context or for landscape photography, then deep DOF is the right choice. When using this type of DOF, everything seems to be in focus, the image is sharp and shows lots of details. There are three elements that the photographer can manipulate to achieve different depth of field: the aperture of the camera's diaphragm, the distance of the subject from the camera, which is called focal distance, and the camera lens. There are lenses with different measures, 50mm, 35mm, and so on, and each one allows for a certain range of DOF, which is called focal length. Manipulating the DOF both in photography and video is not only for professionals, and it doesn't require to have a sophisticated camera. Anyone with a camera with manual controls or even a point and shoot, like this one, can obtain decent results in the manipulation of DOF. Wonderlic, a professional photographer, offers a very straightforward and simple explanation on how to do it. Now grab a pencil and a paper to take notes, because listening only to this can be a little bit confusing. I promise that once you see your notes, it's very simple to understand. Ready? If you're using a camera with manual controls and you want to obtain a deep depth of field, you should do three things. Use a small aperture, move further from the subject, and shorten the focal length. On the other hand, if you want a shallow DOF, just do the opposite. Widen the lens aperture, move closer to the subject, and lengthen the focal length by using a lens with a higher millimeter measure. When using a point-and-shoot camera, look for the camera dial and set it on the human head symbol for a shallow DOF, or in the mountain symbol for a deeper DOF. If you're using your cell phone camera, play around with the zoom and the autofocus features or install an app that does the trick. There's a lot of good information out there about this topic, just Google it. I hope you found this lesson interesting and not too confusing. Thanks for watching.